friends, hello guys, here is Rudraksh with a new video. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about laws of Sir Isaac Newton. Yes, so in today's video I made a minor change, which is the question which I asked you in the previous video. The answer of the question I will give you at the last of the video because it takes a lot of time. So without wasting time, let's start. The famous space scientist, famous mathematician and a famous physicist who also invented micrometers and telescopes. Yes, they are Galileo Galilei. He is a scientist and also he invented a law which was law of inertia. So this story I am telling you because before learning the three laws of Newton of motion, see they are of motion. So in motion inertia comes, friction comes. So that's the reason I am telling you first or telling you the story of inertia, and then I will explain you full law of inertia. Okay friends, nearly 16th-17th century scientists perform an activity to demonstrate that the object will come, means the speed of the object is dependent on the mass of the object. So they did the activity by the following basis. They climbed the Leaning Tower of Pisa and dropped the two balls, means two spheres of different masses from the same height. The tower was Leaning Tower of Pisa, which is situated in Italy. So they dropped that to demonstrate that every object mass speed is dependent on the mass of the object. If the object is from the same height, here now this is Aristotle's theory, because see, if a 10 kilo ball is there and a 2 kilo ball, if we drop them together, 10 kilo ball will come faster than the 2 kilo ball if there is no vacuum then. So this is the theory of Aristotle's, or we can say Aristotle's theory of gravity. So inertia is another topic, but this story I told you because by studying this, Galileo Galilei studied on this, and then they introduced the law of inertia, that why it was coming slower, why 2 kilo ball was coming slower than 10 kilo ball. So now we will move to inertia and then Newton's first law. Inertia means resistance of any physical object to change its velocity or direction. So imagine here is a car. Wait, see, here is a car, here is a car. So now it is stopped. So inertia means outer force, or the force which is opposite to the force on which, means opposite to the object force. So here object force is 0. So object force is, imagine, means this does not have any name, but object want to stay or in rest. So this is inertia, because if we are moving this, so our hand is inertia, or the force which is moving this car is inertia, because this is opposite force. So if the car is moving like this, it is stopping, so inertia is stopping it, because now here inertia is friction and air resistance, and it is because opposite force means inertia. So see, here inertia means inertia is how working. This car is moving, but as here is rubber and wood, so it is making more friction and this car is stopping. So when the car is stopped, the friction, because of more friction and also air drag. So here air drag does not play a major role, but friction plays. So imagine here is a parachute, or a skydiver is using a parachute. So while falling, he used parachute to reduce the speed. So here inertia works, because see air is there, air drag, because parachute is like this. Okay, so here air is trapping and also being, so this air is coming here and reducing the speed, because air want to go here and this parachute want to go downside. So this is making air drag, and this is known as air drag. So here air drag is not making major role, but in pendulum, in parachute, it is making a major role, and here the friction is making a major role. So this is inertia, or the definition of the inertia. So now we will move to the Newton's first law. So friends, now I use the word velocity in the definition of inertia. So velocity means the speed of an or a constant speed of an object. So yeah, a famous physicist, famous astronomer, famous theologian and author, also greatest mathematician and a most influential scientist who is widely recognized as greatest scientist, who is Newton. Yeah, Sir Isaac Newton. So now the first law I will tell you of Sir Isaac Newton, which is an object in a rest will stay in rest and an object in a motion will stay in motion unless an outer force is not acted on it. Okay, so friends, see, according to the first law of Sir Isaac Newton, in this law says that an object in a motion will stay in motion and an object in a rest will stay in rest unless an outer force is not acted on it. So see, this car is in rest now, so it will stay in rest continuously. But see, outer force means the hand or any force which does not belongs to the car. If we move this, so our outer force is used to move this. Okay, is this correct? According to law of Sir Isaac Newton, this is correct. See, and if this car is moving continuously, then it stops because outer force is used, and this outer force is known as inertia, which we discussed. So here outer force is friction, air drag, and yeah, gravity is also there, but it works mostly in pendulums. So here car is moving, it is stopped because of outer force, and this car is at rest, it started because of outer force. Okay, clear? So in today's video we learn many things. See, first we learn Aristotle's theory of gravity, then story of Leaning Tower of Pisa, also Galileo Galilei's law, and also yes, personal information of Galileo Galilei. No, not personal information, means who are they, or author, greatest mathematician, and also inventions of them and discoveries of them. So also Newton's and Galileo Galilei's, these both scientists we learn inventions means not whole but some. And after that we also learn law of Sir Isaac Newton and inertia. So this was all about today. If you think that the video should be loved, then press the like button, or if you think that the video should be upvoted, then also press the like button, and comment down below if you have any doubt, query, question. And yeah, today's question is, for telling today's question, I would like to tell you the answer of the previous question, which is, first I will tell you the question of the previous video, which is, how can you prove that earth is sphere, or how the person who proved that earth is sphere will prove. So the answer is, I have two proofs. First, see, here is earth, so when the ship is sailing from ocean, afterwards it get disappear because it go downside means more further. So earth is sphere, so imagine here it is a circle, see, like this, and here we are standing, here is the ship, so we are seeing the ship, but afterwards it go downside, so this get disappear for us, but it is there. So this, if you will think that how the ship is upside down, or how they are not realizing that they are upside down, but no, they are not upside down because the gravity of the earth is at the center, means here. So if ship is here, the gravity is here, then also it will think that it is straight. If ship is here, gravity is here, then also it will think that it is straight. So next proof is, see, imagine if this is earth, if the earth is plane, then Burj Khalifa, no, not Burj Khalifa, any longest tower or any longest building. So any longest tower or any longest building will, yeah, correct, will be seen from us, because see, this is our car. If we are standing here, Burj Khalifa will be here, so we can see it. But no, we can't see it because earth is sphere. So this is a sphere of earth. So Burj Khalifa is here, we are here. So that's the reason we can't see any longest means the building or mountains or Himalayas. Okay, so yeah, today's question is related to this. Yeah, you can tell me biggest statue in the world or the tallest statue in the world. If you know, then you should tell, and if you don't know, then let it be. So this is today's question, and you can answer the question in comment box. The question is, which is the tallest statue in the world? Okay, yeah, so if you have any doubt, query, question, you can comment down below. And yeah, if you want to see our videos thumbnails, then you can follow my Instagram account. And if you want my videos in a written format, then you can visit my Blogger account. Both link I will give you in the description box. And if you want to know which gears I use, then yeah, the description, the link of the video, the link of the gears I will give you in description box. So yeah, subscribe the channel by pressing bell icon on all. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.